Scenario number 1. Semestered course, which runs from September until January, or January until June, depending which semester we're on. I want cumulative marks, and I'm using category weights. So I've gone ahead and I've created these categories: homework, assignment, quiz, test, and exam, but you can use your own categories. These add up to 100. How would we set this up in Gradebook? In Gradebook, I would go to Grade Setup, and I would start with my Q1, or Q3 if you're on second semester. Double click, and I want to set my categories. I'm going to add them. Notice that I have not added exam. There's no exam in Q1, so there's no sense adding it right away. We'll add that later. And I'm going to assign their actual weights. So assignment is 10, homework is 5, quiz is 20, and test is 35. Notice that it resets the percent here to the actual percentage of overall for the Q1 because there's no exam. We don't need to worry about that. I'm going to hit save. And since my marks are cumulative, I'm going to right click on Q1 and say copy grade setup for Q1, and I want to paste this for S1 and also Q2. It's just saving time. You can do it manually, but this is just saving time. So now when I go to Q2, my categories and weights are there, and when I go to S1, my categories and weights are there. However, in S1, I'm going to add one more category, and it's the exam. And my exam is worth 30. So what that does, it resets the weight accordingly to the percent. So now my percent and my weights are all identical because everything adds up to 100. So my Q1, my Q2, my S1 were all set. And as long as you use the appropriate categories when you enter your marks, your gradebook is set up for your semester course.